Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video, I'm going to show you how to deactivate your Instagram account. So let's start. First, open the Instagram app. Then go to your profile from bottom right corner. Tap on three bars on top right corner and go to Settings. Then tap Help and go to Help Center. And a browser window will open. Now you have to tap on Manage your account. Then tap Delete your account. Now you'll see three drop-downs. Tap on the second one. And if you scroll down, you'll see Delete your account. Tap on that. Since you are taking a break, tap Temporarily Disable. Now select a reason. Re-enter your password. Then tap Temporarily Disable your account and your account will be deactivated. If you find this video helpful, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.